Hello everybody, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to make the charcoal kiln in Windrose. First of all, if you open your map, you're gonna need to find some clay. And clay is mostly found near the line where the sand meets the grass. So go ahead and travel around the island to find some clay. After that, you want to mine some trees to get some wood. And then you can go ahead and come back to your base, press the B button, right click to open the building panel, scroll down in the crafting and utilities, and here you'll see the charcoal kiln, on which you'll need 20 times clay and 25 wood. Go ahead and click on it. With the mouse scroll button you can rotate it, and with the left click you can place it down. This is gonna be all. Make sure to like and subscribe if you found this helpful, and see you in the next one.